Welcome students. Today from chapter 2, the computer system. From that chapter, we are going to discuss another topic. From the chapter already we have two video lecture, and today we are going to discuss from input unit. Already we have some topic already discussed from the same topic, which is input unit. In the previous lecture already we have discussed, that is the computer system already have completed, the hardware, input unit. From input unit we already have completed keyboard, mouse, light pen, trackball, joystick, graphics tablet, scanner, digital camera. And from the same input unit, today we are going to discuss on topic magnetic ink character reader. In short form it is called MICR, optical character reader, OCR, optical mark reader, OMR, barcode reader, and touchscreen. And with that, one more microphone. These following topics today we are going to discuss. So let us proceed. Let us proceed, the students. Let us start with magnetic ink character reader. So magnetic ink character reader, what is it? The human readable characters are printed on documents like checks using a special ink that contains magnetic particles of iron oxide. A magnetic ink character reader reads these characters by examining their shapes. This technology is called magnetic ink character recognition, MICR. So, dear students, you can see here this is the one which is written in a special ink that contains what? Magnetic particles of iron oxide. With that it has written. And these magnetic ink characters will read by a machine. It is an example of a bank check with magnetic ink character set it has given. So magnetic ink character reader is what? It is a human readable character are printed on documents like checks. The checkbook it is written, no, it is special ink contain magnetic particle of iron oxide. Okay. A magnetic ink character reader reads these characters. Which character? These particular character. By what? Examining their shapes. It examine the shapes. Okay. And this technology is called magnetic ink character recognition, MICR. Okay, student, let us see some examples. Examples of MICR. This is a checkbook. Here you can see this is the checkbook number and this is MICR code. Okay, this MICR code will read by the MICR recognition. Okay, magnetic ink character recognition machine will read that is. Okay, and this is RBI account number and transaction code. Okay, and how it has read this checkbook, it will insert in this MICR machine. Okay, in this MICR machine it will insert, and those characters. Which character? These characters. Now these characters will read by this machine. Uh, Different types of machines are there. Different types of machines are there, which is you can see here one more machine says here one more machine. This is the one. This checkbook will insert in this machine, and this machine will read the MICR code. Okay, students. So this way MICR code can recognize. Next is optical character reader. Optical character reader. An optical character reader is capable of detecting alphabetical and numeric characters on a page of typed or handwritten text. This technology is called optical character recognition. It makes data entry simpler and faster. So optical character is what? It is a character that for what? Capable of detecting alphabetical and numeric characters. It can be typed also, or it can be handwritten. And this technology is called optical character recognition. It makes data entry simpler and faster. And let us see some examples. Here you see, this is an optical character recognition device. This is the one. Here you see, it will recognize that it has an alphabet or numeric, which is written on the typed on the document. No, this is called optical character recognition. No? So with this we can recognize the character which is typed or handwritten or not handwritten also. Okay. uh, Here with nowadays with the mobile also it can be done. OCR app, optical character recognition apps, is available on the um, Play Store. You can download it, and with that also you can use the technology of optical character recognition. Even the handwritten also can be possible. The handwritten also can be possible to recognize it with the help of OCR. Okay, so magnetic ink character reader will MICR will recognize the magnetic particles of iron oxide that the special in which is typed or written, and OCR, that means optical character recognition, will recognize the alphabetical or numeric with the typed also and handwritten also. So next is optical mark reader. Optical mark reader, what is it? Optical mark reader. An optical mark reader is capable of recognizing a pre-specified type of mark made with a dark pencil or ink. Special pre-printed forms are designed with boxes that can be marked with a pencil or ink. Such a document is read by optical mark reader, which transcribes the marks into electrical pulses that are transmitted to the computer. And this technology is called optical mark recognition, OMR. It is commonly used for grading specially designed multiple choice questions answered sheets. Okay, and nowadays in competitive exams, interview and all, with this OMR sheet only they are conducting. Okay, so optical, you can see here the ABCD options are there. You will get the question and you will fill the maybe question number 1 answer is D, then you will fill the that circle of D, you will fill with the pencil or a ink. Okay, you can fill like this, and this will enter in the machine, will insert in the machine, and that machine will recognize. Okay, And here you see, did you know the first OMR sensor was created by whom? By IBM in the 1930s. The sensor did not turn into a successful OMR test scoring device until 1962. In the early 1970s, Scantron Corporation made OMR scanning equipment for schools to standardize test scoring procedures. Okay. So let us see some examples how it is this OMR sheet, how it can read and all. Let us see examples. This is the OMR sheet. In the interview and all, people used to this one fill the OMR sheet. Those are participants or those are appearing the exam. So your roll number, you write the roll number. You can, I'll show you. Mm, you see 8700000757. So 8 here, 8 you will fill, no, 7 here, 7 like this. No? So like this way you will fill up whole sheet. From the question you will check. In the question, if it is given question number 1 answer, if it is C, then you will fill C, the whole circle. No, if it 2A, if it is A, like that you will fill up. And how this will recognize, no? This OMR sheet, how it will recognize. To recognize that, this sheet will insert in the machine OMR OMR optical mark recognition machine, no, device. And there it will insert, and that machine will scan and recognize it. And different machines are there. That's why 2 pictures I have given here. Different types of machines are there. OMR sheet reading machine. Okay. So nowadays this things very usable. MICR, optical mark reader, then optical character reader. No? Next is barcode reader. Already most of you know, when I said barcode reader, most of you know that in shopping mall and all, and the price and all, no, how they are uh, entering in the system with the help of the barcode reader. We'll see that. You see, barcode reader is a system of representing data using machine readable lines. The most commonly used barcode is the Universal Product Code UPC, found in most grocery items. Universal Product Code UPC, which is, this is the one, UPC. Okay, this type of barcode in the grocery shop, Vishal Megamart, Big Bazaar, many shopping malls are there where you will enter and you will buy the grocery items. How they are how they are entering the price of the goods with the help of the barcode reader. And the barcode is already there in the goods item, and from there they will scan it. Okay, how it will scan, I will show you. This is the barcode reader, and this is the barcode. So this code consists of vertical bars that identifies the product. Product also will identify, and the manufacturer also. The code for each product is a unique combination of these vertical bars. The UPC symbols is read by a hand-held barcode reader. So how it will work? You'll see that. You see, when you will press on the barcode, no, that the ray, no, it will scan. It will scan the bar. Then automatically all those data or information will enter in the system. Okay, so this already all of you have know that those who have already went to the shopping mall and all, they are for grocery item or even the clothes and all, no, to recognize the brand, price and all. They don't need to look at the price, just they will scan the barcode and every information will show in the system. Okay, so after barcode, next is touch screen. What is touch screen? Touch screen, most of you know nowadays while you are using the touch screen only, you know. A touch screen allows the user to interact with the computer by simply touching various elements on the screen. A grid made up of sensing lines determines the location and touch by machine vertical and horizontal contacts. Touchscreen are often used in airline and railway reservation counters. So even one more example, touchscreen, that ATM, the touchscreen. With the touchscreen, you will enter the uh, this one amount. You will enter the security code. Then you will enter the money. No? So even the laptop, touchscreen laptop also there, touchscreen desktop also there, mobile touchscreen. No, so here is the example which is given. The touchscreen, no, touchscreen display, tablet like no tablet. And after touchscreen, next is microphone. Microphone. What is the purpose of the microphone? Is it an? This is also input device. A microphone converts human speech into electrical signal. When we'll say hello, like now I am conducting the class, with the help of the microphone only I am doing this. So how it works, you see, a microphone converts, what will do? It will convert human speech into electrical signal. And this signal pattern is transmitted to the computer. Okay. After what will happen, a speech recognition software matches with the pre-stored pattern known as the vocabulary to identify the input. When a close match is found, a word is recognized by the computer. To build this vocabulary, the computer is initially operated in training mode, while the user speaks the words and phrases several times to train the computer to recognize his oblique her particular voice pattern. Okay, and this technology is called voice recognition. Clear? So you see, microphone, for what purpose it is using? To voice recognition. How it will recognize the voice? Because computer do not know the language which you are going to speak. It might be English, it might be another language, no? So what will do? A microphone, it will convert the human speech into electrical signals. Okay, then there is a pattern and it will transmit to the computer, and the software is there, recognition software, speech software is the intercomputer. That will very fast, it will match with the vocabulary and initially training mode, and whatever the user will speak in words or phrasal, no, it will time to train the computer to recognize of the user particular voice pattern. Okay, and this voice recognition, this technology is called, and this technology is called voice recognition. That means microphone is used for what purpose? To voice recognize. Okay, students, so today which we have learned, today, before going to the next is homework. Before homework, let us just see a small revision, which is started from where? Started from magnetic ink reader, magnetic ink reader, human readable characters, printed in a checkbook and all, as example, you see MICR code, and with the help of the machine, when you will insert in the machine, it will recognize it. And different types of machines are there, you can insert there, and that MICR code reader machine will recognize the MICR code. Okay, next is optical character reader, which is using for what? To recognize whatever is typed in the tag on the sheet is alphabetical or numerical. It may be handwritten also, and with the nowadays that apps also there. Through that also you can recognize it. Okay, optical mark reader. With the optical mark reader, you will enter the, you will fill the predefined form is there. There you will fill the answers. Options are given ABCD, and that it will recognize in the system or the device where you will enter the owner seat, there it will be recognized. Okay, then barcode reader. With the help of barcode reader, you can get the all the information of the products, and especially in the grocery item, no, shopping mall shop and clothes and all. When you buy, you will see they are scanning the bar. There all the information are there, which brand, what is the price, and all everything. We scan it in the computer. And next, touchscreen. With the touchscreen, input, mobile, ATM, computer also, no, touch computer also there. With the help of that, laptop also there. With the help of that, you can keep the input. No. Next is microphone. It is for voice recognition. No? Okay, so let us see the homework. Today's homework is, what is magnetic ink character reader? You have to find out what is the optical character reader, what is OMR, what is barcode reader. Here reader spelling is wrong. For question number 4, please you make it correct. What is touchscreen and what is microphone? Okay, and to this, okay, thank you very much.